Okay, so this is our new curling club, or the beginnings of it. You can see this is all of the warm area, and the workers are out here just finishing off the slab that was done. And that straight ahead of you is the mechanical area that's off to the side, with then the ice area straight ahead. So we're walking through the front door right now, and you can picture all of this area is seating and chairs in front. There's windows overlooking the ice, and to the left here is the kitchen. Here's where the future bar is going to be, and you can see going down the hall right now towards the locker rooms. Locker men's to the left, or women's to the left, men's to the right. It's one big step right now, but eventually there'll be steps down to the ice and the wheelchair lift here. And this will be the mechanical area, the mechanical room off to the side of the ice. Now we're going to walk back this way. And you get a good sense of what it's going to look like to watch a game. Right now I'm standing about the center of sheet 1. So we're 5 foot above 4 sheets. We've got a 6-foot walkway as you look down, and a 20-foot height, 20 to 24-foot height. Good curling.